Hi everyone, and welcome to the Mailtrap Spring Update. We have some ideas that we can't wait to bounce.
It's not that kind of spring.
Well, what do you mean it's not that kind of spring?
I mean spring like the season.
Spring the season? Oh, that's why. Oh, well, all right. Nature is blooming, and so is Mailtrap. We've sprouted fresh green features to make our platform even better. So let's dig into the updates and see what's emerged this spring. To allow Mailtrap users to easily connect AI models with their email infrastructure, this spring we've introduced Mailtrap MCP, an MCP server you can integrate with Claude Desktop, Cursor, as well as other MCP clients, and use it to send transactional emails with just a prompt. With Mailtrap MCP, you can draft emails or send routine messages right from your chat interface. No tab switching and no workflow interruptions. All the details about MCP, how it works, and its key use cases are covered in our dedicated video. And while you're here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss new videos or updates on Mailtrap features. As part of our ongoing effort to make our platform more flexible and easier to use, we've added the Templates API. This CRUD API, Create, Read, Update, Delete, enables you to manage email templates programmatically, migrate your existing templates from other services directly into Mailtrap, and generally streamline your template creation workflow. You can also use these personalized email templates with our Batch API, further expanding your possibilities. Mailtrap has also sprouted a few fresh integrations this season, starting with Zapier. This means that you can now automate email sending by connecting Mailtrap to over 7,000 apps, no coding required. We could say that we have 7,000 new integrations, but we're counting it as one to keep the video short. Make.com is another integration that is freshly available. This integration lets you handle everything from sending emails via Mailtrap to managing contacts and mailing lists that you have on the platform, directly inside your Make workflows. And for our third and most recent integration, we have Tabular. Using this integration, you can easily build and manage your Tabular email designs. And once ready, you can send them straight through Mailtrap email delivery. As a cherry blossom on top, we've added segmentation based on events such as clicks and opens, so you can perfectly target your audience. And one more thing, your Mailtrap logs can now be exported in CSV format. With the data just one click away, you can spring into action and do any processing or analysis that fits your workflow. So, if you want to do that on your own, you can get all of the necessary data from the platform with just one click. With that, we wrap up this bright and breezy spring update. As the days get warmer, we'll be busy cooking up some hot updates for the summer. So, stay tuned as there's more good stuff on the way. Now, if you'd like to learn more about Mailtrap email templates or contact management, don't forget to check out our how-to guides. New ones are sprouting up all the time. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.